Eda Arabis, papansin and pretentious kang tambuka ka. For you, it's just trending, share, likes, views that leads to monetary advantage for you in the expense of true Filipino values. Wait until all evidence are discussed, scrutinized, and determine the validity and correctness. Truth and justice will always prevail in the end for both former President Duterte or the victims. Matagal na akong pumatay. Niingon siya ani sa Blue Ribbon Committee nga naka-under oath. Again, under oath. Pretentious kayo katambok. Hello, Sir Benz Pipen and Sir Juan de la Creme. Liwata gininyo's prosecution, no? Before ta maglabay og insults like papansin, pretentious, tambok, let's talk facts and principles, mga sirs, not emotions. Okay? So here's my first point. You said, Sir Benz Pipen, wait until all evidence are discussed and scrutinized. Exactly. I agree with that. But if that is your position, sir, nganong murag ikaw naman dayon ang judge ug jury? No? In law, sir, allegation is not equal to conviction. Evidence must be tested in the proper court before declaring someone guilty. Kuha nimo, sir? Ingon ra ba ang John chapter 7 verse 24, sir? Dili ka mo maghukom pinaagi sa panagway, kung dili maghukom ka mo sa matarong nga paghukom. Nagsimba ba ka, sir? Second point, Sir Juan de la Creme, with 47 friends, 4 posts, a troll quoted, matagal na akong pumatay. Sir, a statement mentioned in a hearing does not automatically establish legal guilt. In any legal proceeding, statements must be supported by context, witnesses, and corroborating evidence. Kung words lang ang basihan sa conviction, sir, anyone can destroy another person simply through accusation. Ingon ra ba ang 2 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 1, sir? Ikatulo na kining panahon nga muanha ako kaninyo. Sa bakba sa duha kung tulok nga mga saksi, pagapamatud-an ang tagsatag sa kapulong. Third point, Sir Benz Pipen accused me of chasing likes, views, and monetary gain. That is speculation, sir, not evidence. In any fair discussion, the burden of proof lies on the accuser. So if you claim motive, sir, then prove it. Otherwise, opinion ra na nimo. Ingon ra ba ang Proverbs chapter 18 verse 17, sir? Kadtong magalaban sa iyang katungod sa sinugdan daw matarong. Apan ang iyang isigatawo mo abot og magasusi kaniya. Fourth point. Sir Benz Pipen mentioned true Filipino values. Well, sir, many Filipinos supported the campaign against drugs because they saw how drugs destroyed families and communities. Let me tell you, sir, that wanting order, discipline, and protection for our neighborhoods is also a Filipino value. Balikan tika sa Romans chapter 13 verse 3, sir. Unsa toy giingon? Kay ang mga punuan dili angay kahadlukan sa mga nagabuhat og maayo. Kung dili sa mga dautan, busa-buot ka ba nga dili magakahadlok sa kagamhanan? Buhata ang maayo ug magadawat ka og pagdaig gikan niini. Fifth point. Let me also be clear, Sir Benz Pipen and Sir Juan de la Creme. I still stand with FPRRD and the war on drugs. Why? Because many communities experience real fear from drug syndicates and criminality. Supporting strong action against drugs does not mean supporting injustice, mga sir. No? It means wanting safety and accountability. Now, And if we are going to talk about legal proceedings, mga sirs, even in international courts, we can see how strong cross-examination can challenge the prosecution's narrative. For example, when defense lawyers question the credibility, consistency, and sufficiency of evidence, like what many observers says happened when attorney Nicholas Kaufman pressed the prosecution's claims, it shows that cases must stand on solid proof, no? Not assumptions. That is how justice systems are supposed to work, mga sirs. Diba? My final point, no? Justice must apply to everyone. The victims of crime, the families affected by drugs, and even those being accused. So justice is not decided by insults or social media narratives, but by truth, evidence, and due process, mga sirs. Unsa to ingon sa Isaiah chapter 1 verse 17? Pagtuon sa pagbuhat ug maayo, pangitaa ang hustisya, no? So, instead of mockery, sir, let's stick to facts and evidence, mga sirs. Because at the end of the day, accusation is easy, no? Proof is the hard part. Mao nang sa tinuod nga hustisya, dili opinion ang magdaog, no? Evidence yun na. Mao na timan mga sirs. Ciao.